We are at Booking number 2 road. So we're going for a Christmas party for a party people. Yeah, party. Let's go. So yeah. So this is our first time coming here.
Yep.
And I just finished work. And what about you?
I finished work as well.
Yeah, so it's Christmas party here. I'm so excited. What to
Excited
eat?
na kami.
What are you gonna eat today?
Hindi pa natin alam.
Yeah,
Abangan, mukhang masarap.
we will find
Ako
out.
masisira yung diet ko.
Oh,
Ano ba
no.
naman? Oh. Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na tayo kumain. Nagugutom na ako, guys. We're going to eat, guys.
Yeah.
We're so hungry. Say hi, Ma! So, saan yung food? Saan ang food, guys? So, this is the food. Masarap. Ang bango. Ito pala yung... Hello!
Saan mo nahanap
Ito po yung guys, yung pagkain nila. Gutom na kami. It's for my vlog. Ano to? Ano to? Ay, spaghetti. Ito. Eh, wala na. Naubos. Plato. Naubos na yung pagkain. Yeah. Kain tayo, guys. Kain muna tayo. Plato namin walang laman. Nagugutom na. So, abangan nyo, guys. Let's go. So guys, so yung pagkain ko, kinuha. Yun ng pinapay, tsaka chicken. Kain po tayo, guys.
Guys, you have to dance. Iba na yung nalaman. Ready, set, go!
palaro nila. So, di pa nakapunta sa... Ay, sorry, ikaw na. Sige po. So, yun po yung palaro nila dito sa Christmas party namin. So, pupunta po kami guys doon sa outward ng ano, hall. Diba ate? Pupunta kami.
Let's go!
Ito si... hi kayo! Kumakain. Seryoso talaga. Hi pa! si tita. Ano kinakain mo at tita? Anong pagkain mo? Chicken. At yun lang, nadag-diet. Ikaw, tito, ano po?
Chicken din.
Chicken din? Yun lang, na-diet. Diet silang lahat.
Diet.
Ayan. Let's go guys. Dito tayo punta dito sa mga bata. Come on. Okay, so busy yung mga bata. Yun sila, oh. Laro, busy sa cellphone, no?
Nag-i-enjoy sila.
Nag-enjoy sila sa TikTok. Oo, may sariling mundo yung mga bata dito.
Masaya sila.
Oo, masaya sila, guys.
Masaya sila. Kaya maging masaya din
Ay,
kayo.
oo.
Kim Kardashian.
Yun na. Ito naman ang mga boys na mga bata,
May sarili
oh.
din silang
May sarili
mundo.
din silang mundo.
Yan,
Ito sila,
yan.
guys, oh. Yan. Yan sila, oh. Oops. Hala, nangyari. Yan. Naglaro ng si Kishi. Hello kayo sa YouTube ko.
Yeah, I know your YouTube.
Yeah. Yan, doon sila. What are you guys playing?
Combat Warriors.
Ah, can you show me how to do it?
Oh, no, it's violent. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Oh no.
There's Noah. Noah's there. What do you think of this place? What do you think? There's a hole here behind.
Yeah.
It's our first time here.
My first time.
Because it's your first time, we'll interview you. How is it?
Yeah, because almost like it's hard, bro.
Awesome.
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 Awesome. What? The food.
The food? Yum! Very
Yummy. It's quiet. Yeah.
Kind of Korean.
If you wanna come here, guys, it's what's the address here? Number 2 Road, Chipoke. If you want to, I don't know about booking. Don't worry about the booking, guys. I don't even know. We just came here for a party. Yeah, and eat. So guys, we'll see you for another vlog.
Yeah.
At my house. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you for my next Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you for the next vlog. Bye.